Setting up a server timeout in Rocket League can help improve your gaming experience by ensuring smoother connections. Follow these steps to configure the server timeout settings. Step 1. Access game settings. Open Rocket League and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the Options menu to access the game settings. Step 2. Navigate to Network Settings. Within the Options menu, look for the Gameplay tab. Scroll down to find the network settings where you can adjust various connection options. Step 3. Adjust server timeout. In the network settings, locate the server timeout option. Here, you can set the timeout duration to a desired value, ensuring it meets your gaming needs. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the server timeout, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings menu to confirm your adjustments. Step 5. Restart the game. To ensure that the new settings take effect, restart Rocket League. This will apply the changes and allow you to enjoy a better gaming experience. By following these steps, you can successfully set up the server timeout in Rocket League. Enjoy your game.